Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to buy items from G2G step by step. To get started, you'll first need to create a G2G account. Once your account is set up and you're signed in, head over to the homepage and search for the product you want to buy. For this example, I'll select gift cards and choose a Steam Wallet gift card. Next, select the amount you want, such as a $20 US Steam Wallet code. Be sure to check the region carefully. UK cards are listed in pounds, US cards in dollars, and European cards in euros. Choose the option that matches your location. After selecting the product, give it a moment to load if it seems a bit slow. Once it loads, you'll see the item's availability and seller details. G2G usually recommends a top-rated seller and also checks whether the item can be used in your country. Click Buy Now to continue. You'll be taken to the payment page, where you can choose your preferred currency. Scroll down to see the available payment methods, including credit or debit cards, e-wallets, cryptocurrency, and online banking. After selecting your payment method, enter your details and click Pay Now to complete your purchase. And that's how you buy items on G2G. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on One More Guru.